Alright guys, so I took the Datsun for a little drive, taking it to the house so I could just store it there. But when you drive this car, it's like we have such a connection with the car. You know, I know the car in and out. It's always a cool feeling to drive it, you know. You get a lot of looks from everybody and the power. I love it. We're gonna be talking about a new project that I just picked up. You guys can see it back here, and how I can't get away from muscle cars. And this is one of my dream cars that I really wanted. And what's cool about it is that we actually built this car for a customer. You know, he came towards me and told me, you know, I'm ready, I had my fun, I'm ready to sell it, you know, help me out. And I was like, say no more, it's mio. I want to take you guys in. I don't think we ever, you know, kind of showed this car when we did it, but we restored it a couple years ago. Did some new upgrades on the C, so I want to show you guys that. All right, so this is the Z. I know you guys seen it before with the hood, but not actually on the car now. Finally, I actually mounted the hinges, as you can see there, mounted the hinges. I had to move the intercooler down a little bit, which is better because now I'm getting more airflow to the radiator. I had to cut this out a little bit more to kind of fit the turbo on there, and the hood pins. I also left it a little bit open for venting. As you know, the header and everything gets really hot in here, so I actually put in these vents for heat purposes and also left it aired out to kind of vent everything out. But it was a cool, finally, to get the hood on there was cool. And I did a little upgrade to the back spoiler. It's a lot taller now. It used to be obviously maybe like an inch shorter, but this is a different spoiler and it looks a lot nicer now. So can't wait. I'm going to be taking this car home and this car home. This is where it's at. 1969 Chevy Camaro Resto Mod. Has all the bells and whistles. Color is awesome. I don't know if you guys can see it there. Look at that color, look at that pearl in there. It looks like a shark, you know what I mean? It has that color. Got the side gills. It's a car, one of my favorite years, and obviously we built it, so we knew it's built right. And it has a lot of very nice touches to kind of resto mod. You know, the interior, you know, has been all updated. Custom door panels, custom console, custom interior suede, back seat, alpine deck, odometer gauges. I mean, the list goes on. Once I get it later on the rack, I'll show you guys. But this is what sold me. I mean, I already knew it had this, but I was like, dude, there's so much potential. Ready? Are you ready? Woo! Hoo-hoo! Twin turbo LS2, baby. 6-liter turbo, big intercooler, big radiator fans, hurricane fans, fully built, disc brakes, everything. I mean, making on low boost right now, it's making around 600-700 horsepower. When you turn up the boost and maybe tune it with the 85, over 1,000. It's a car to be reckoned with, man. It's a great car, resto mod. Can't wait to take it for a spin and a drive to show you guys and kind of go in the process with me, upgrade it. So I'm going to be upgrading it, doing some upgrades to the engine, as if it needs more, brakes, and other little touches to get it to look even better. So there's my two babies right there, right here, you know. And I think I've said it, but I think it's time for her to find her a new home. You know, there's a lot of people out there that love these Zs, and you know, it's built right. So I'm gonna be entertaining offers to sell her, but you know, she's been a big part of the SOS family. I think it's time for her to find a new home, and this is the new baby right here. So we're gonna go take them for a test drive, see how they are, and see how she drives. Drive this puppy. Just got off driving the Datsun, my baby. And let A-Twan drive it. A-Twan, you ready for that power? Yeah. That single turbo?
Ready.
Hopefully he's ready for that. All right, we're in. Momo steering wheel, Alpine. Start her up. Here we go. There she is. Power. Yeah, I like that. It's a big difference from going to obviously like a pretty much full race car to a full interior car. Power this, power that. Just hypes up the driving experience, obviously, because you're able to drive like a normal car, but obviously 69 Camaro with LS2 6-liter twin turbo. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be driving. So let's get going. All right, right away, obviously, like I said, it's a full Ride-Tech suspension, 4-link in the rear, disc brakes, full interior car, AC, power windows, Alpine deck. You get all the luxuries of race car, you would say, but you're in a fully furnished car. I don't know how to put that, but you know, it's a 6-speed. Obviously a little jumpy there, how you see it's a 6-speed. It has a McLeod clutch in it. The only difference, like, I guess the pedal, I don't know if that's adjustable, but the pedal is really high. It grabs like almost at the end, so it's almost, you have to kind of get used to that, because you know, it's not like your normal clutch, you know. I mean, what's cool, it's a V8, so it's responsive already, but when you hit the turbo, like, it really pulls and you get that blow-off valve sound, which is awesome. Really love this car. Like I said, I fell in love with it when we built it for the customer, and as we finished the vehicle after it was done, painted, it was just, I felt more in love with it, and everybody here at the shop too loved the build. You know, I would just, you know, I was not expecting to pick this car up, but it was a great opportunity. You know, it came to me, pretty much, the customer, and it was cool to know that we built it. We know what's in the car, and what, you know, what other things, other possibilities we can do to it to make it even that much better, you know. Put that, pretty much, that SOS Customs touch. It's so fun to drive. I don't know if you can see that. My Datsun is right behind me, and to see it in the mirror there is pretty awesome. Probably just see a big lens. Like I said, I mean, the car is, it handles, it feels really nice. I'm sure we're gonna put it up on the rack, show you, you know, more in depth, the motor, the underneath, and maybe the upgrades as we go. But I just wanted to share this with you guys. Leave comments on the bottom. Let me know what you guys think about the car. What should I do? What upgrades I can do to the motor, make it faster, or I mean, just aesthetically, what do you guys think? I want to, you know, just shoot comments below. Alright, so we made it safe and sound, all in one piece, and we're here. So I don't know if you guys can see the color, man. I just in love with the color, and you know, it kind of deleted all the chrome on the car, like kind of that resto mod look. You know, I just can't keep staring at this thing. It's so badass. And as you can see, the 300ZX has been uncovered, so we are gonna take it back to the shop. Me and my brother are gonna work together on this. Maybe get some wheels, get some suspension, get her painted, some interior, and cruise this thing. This thing's nice. Gotta fix a couple things here. Can't wait to drive this thing again. We're gonna head back to the shop. The Datsun should be here shortly. Get this thing covered up. Tuan, what happened? How was the drive?
It was good
until you stopped 4 times.
Yeah.
What happened?
I don't know. I was driving it too slow.
I think she gets mad when somebody else drives it, maybe.
I think so.
Yeah, see, she's spinning mad right now. But overall, what'd you think when you got under boost? What'd you think?
It's fast, definitely.
You hear that turbo?
Everybody that came by was like smiling, waving.
Even a biker.
Yeah, even a biker?
Everybody loves it.
You pulled out, he was like,
so, oh, this is it.
It's definitely like an eye catcher, right? Like everybody, like, the color and everything.
The pops are so loud.
Loud?
there was this lady on this truck, he gunned it, and she popped, boom, the lady got scared. She's like, oh my god, I was scared.
No, I got kind of scared because I heard the sirens, and I go, oh shit, they got pulled over. And that's why I called you. I was like, is it all right? He's like, yeah, you're okay, okay. So we're gonna get this thing parked. We're gonna finally take this thing to the shop, maybe start on her. Obviously, I tried, the battery was dead, so let's jump her. Oh, here it comes. Come on. Come on, baby, let's go. Did it move? Uh-oh, no juice. All right, try it. Go. There it is. Oh, come on. Let it idle once it starts. Don't give it gas. Let it idle. And she's alive. Don't put me down, baby. Don't put me down. Alright, so driving the Nissan back to the shop. Pretty emotional for me because Oscar got me this for Father's Day. Very like special gift. So I'm driving it a year from now, Father's Day, and I'm driving it. So it's really cool. Finally gonna work on it together. These guys want to race, so let's see. Got some potential. on him with that turbo. This car is so much fun. I can't wait to work on it with my brother together. Start upgrading, you know, kind of maintenance, obviously going through the car, maybe some wheels, coilover suspension, things like that. It's crazy. 1 year Father's Day today, and I'm driving in the car. Didn't even know this was gonna happen. I was thinking about it, and because I went to go drop off the Camaro, I was like, I need to bring the car back to the shop. And then 1 year to this day, it's crazy. So it's meant to be. It's time. Can't wait to work on it together. So get it back to the shop. She's almost there and feeling good after I smoked him over there. Tell me what you guys think we should do to the Nissan and the Camaro. Really appreciate all you guys. So thank you guys. Here at SOS Customs, we got you covered.